Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how methane affects climate change. Cutting methane emissions is the fastest opportunity we have to immediately slow the rate of global warming, even as we decarbonize our energy systems. It's an opportunity we can't afford to miss. Methane has more than 80 times the warming power of carbon dioxide over the first 20 years after it reaches the atmosphere. Even though CO2 has a longer lasting effect, methane sets the pace for warming in the near term. At least 25% of today's warming is driven by methane from human actions. One of the largest methane sources is the oil and gas industry. For many years, methane was overlooked in the climate conversation, but scientists and policymakers are increasingly recognizing that methane reductions are crucial. Slowing today's unprecedented rate of warming can help avert our most acute climate risks, including crop loss, wildfires, extreme weather, and rising sea levels. Atmospheric concentration of methane is increasing faster now than at any time since the 1980s, which means that now is the methane moment. Acting now to reduce methane emissions will have immediate benefits to the climate that reductions in carbon dioxide cannot provide on their own. Until recently, little was known about where leaks were occurring or the best way to fix them. A synthesis of the research found that the US oil and gas industry was emitting at least 13 million metric tons of methane a year, about 60% of more than the Environmental Protection Agency estimated at the time. The volume represents enough natural gas to fuel 10 million homes. Today we have much better data on where the methane is coming from and how to prevent it. Ground-based measurement tools, along with a growing number of satellites, are making it faster and cheaper than ever to locate, measure, and reduce emissions. In fact, the International Energy Agency estimates that worldwide, the oil and gas industry can achieve a 75% reduction using technologies available today, 2/3 of it at no cost. Efforts can also be focused on reducing food waste and loss, improving livestock management, and encouraging consumers to adopt what the report calls healthier diets, those with a lower meat and dairy content. If a concerted effort managed to achieve that 45% cut in methane emissions, it would help avoid nearly 0.3 Celsius of global warming as early as 2040s, the report claims. Because of methane's contribution to the formation of ozone, up to 250,000 premature deaths could be avoided worldwide under the most aggressive emission abatement efforts. Raising awareness about the scale and impact of methane leaks is essential to developing effective policy. Thank you for watching.